Hi there, students. To atone for, or the noun atonement. Okay, to atone for something is to make amends for it. So, I know I was very late yesterday, but I promised to atone for that. I promised to do something nice for you so that you can forget the thing that I've done wrong. Okay, so to atone is to compensate for something bad that you've done. Notice this verb to atone for, it sounds to me very religious. To atone for your sins. Okay, so maybe you have to pray to God to atone for your sins, to make up or to compensate for the bad things that you've done. I'm sorry, the meal that I gave you yesterday was really bad, and I promise to atone for that today. I promise to make up for it. So notice you can use it in a different context apart from a religious one, to atone for your sins. Yeah, but notice this is a really formal verb. Yeah, to atone for. Gosh, 7.5 again. So be careful where you use it. I've spilled your drink. Let me buy you another one to atone for that. No, don't use that in the pub. To make up for it, to pay you back. Yeah? I think this would be a much better phrase to use. So to atone in a formal context, a formal document, but don't use it in an informal situation. Notice as well, to atone is a regular verb. He atoned for doing something wrong. So notice the dependent preposition, to atone for something. Okay, so atonement. Yeah, this atonement to me sounds really, really religious. You need to say certain prayers to atone for your sins. Atonement will come if you perform certain rituals. Okay, let's see. What about the origin of this? Well, what I read is it comes from Middle English, meaning to become united or reconciled. But apparently it's a back formation of atonement, the noun, which is earlier. Okay, so to atone for something, yeah, to make up for it. So the government is not very popular at the moment, so they are spending money on social instruments in order to atone for their bad reputation. Do politicians ever atone for their mistakes? No, they don't even say sorry. So, to atone, formal verb, sounds a bit religious. A regular verb as well. To make amends for, to compensate for a crime, a sin, something that you feel a bit guilty about. Okay? So there you go. Atonement. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To atone for.